if you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Xbox Series X, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help reduce stuttering and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust in-game settings for better performance. Lowering graphic settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail can help reduce stuttering. Access the Game Settings menu and make necessary adjustments. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve performance issues. To do this, power off your Xbox Series X, unplug it from the power source for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help refresh the system and improve performance. Step 4. Manage storage. Ensure you have enough free space on your console. Go to Settings, select System, then Storage, and check your available space. If your storage is nearly full, consider deleting unused games or apps to free up space. Step 5. Use Performance Mode. Some games offer a performance mode that prioritizes frame rate over graphics quality. Check the game settings to see if this option is available and enable it to potentially reduce stuttering during gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering on your Xbox Series X. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.